Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.5, Problem 21. This is Section 3.5, Problem 21. It says, Stephanie bought a new car 4 years ago. It has 62,498.6 miles on it now, according to the odometer. How many miles would you estimate she puts on her car per year? So if she has a little over 62,000 over a 4-year period, you want to divide by 4, and it'll estimate pretty well for you how many miles she puts on per year. So we can just come to the side a little bit, and I will do 4 divides into the number of miles, which is 62,000. Well, let's not put the comma in. It might make it a little confusing. 498.6. Now, there's no decimal with the 4 in front of the division symbol, so I don't have to worry about moving the decimal around. There is a decimal for the number under the division symbol. That's fine. In fact, as I get my answer, it's going to come up straight up vertically and come into the answer. Start dividing. 4 divides into 6. It will fit. It goes in once. 1 times 4 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So now go up to the top, find the next digit over to the right, and bring it straight down. So it's a 2. It comes straight down next to the other 2. I have 22. 4 divides into 22 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. Now subtract 22 minus 20 is 2. Go back up to the top, find the next digit over to the right, bring it straight down. So that 4 comes down next to the 2 I just got as an answer. 2 with the 4 next to it is 24. 4 divides into 24 exactly 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24. Subtract 24 minus 24 is 0. And it fits in evenly, but I'm not done. There are other numbers on the top. I have to keep pulling them down. So the next number over is a 9. Pull that down next to the 0. 4 goes into 9 twice. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Go back up to the top, find the next digit over. Now it's an 8. Bring that straight down next to the 1 I got. 1 with an 8 next to it. 18. 4 divides into 18. As close as I'm going to get is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 18 minus 16 is 2. So now, go back up to the top. The next digit over is a 6. Pull it straight down. Put it next to the 2 I got. I have a 26. 4 goes into 26 how many times? Well, it'll go in 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24. And 26 minus 24 is 2. Now, I got all the way to the end with the 6, but it didn't go in evenly. So what I have to do is just keep putting zeros until it goes in evenly, or until I get to how many places after the decimal the question tells me to round off to. There was no mention of round off, so I should keep going until it fits in evenly. So since it didn't go in, I just filled in a 0 at the end after the 6, bring it straight down next to the 2 that I got. Now it will actually go in evenly. 5 goes into 20, 4 goes into 20 5 times. So 5 times 4 is 20. Now 20 minus 20 is 0. It goes in perfectly. So the final answer is 15,624.65. 15,000, and now I can put the comma back in. 624.65. Now again, this was not just a division problem out of thin air. This was the answer to an application problem that had units of measure. So I can't just write a number for my answer. I have to write the number with some units of measure. It says, how many miles would you say she puts on per year? 15,624.65 miles. And you can either write miles or, even better, miles per year, which is a little bit more than average.